Have you ever wondered why people snore? Snoring happens when airflow through the mouth and nose is partially blocked during sleep. When we fall asleep, the muscles in our throat relax. In some people, these muscles relax too much, causing the airway to become narrow. As air tries to pass through this narrowed space, it makes the soft tissues at the back of the throat vibrate, including the soft palate, uvula, and sometimes the tongue. That vibration is what produces the sound we call snoring. Snoring is more likely to happen if you sleep on your back, you are very tired, you have nasal congestion, you are overweight, you drink alcohol before bed. In some cases, loud and frequent snoring may be a sign of a condition called obstructive sleep apnea, where breathing repeatedly stops and starts during sleep. So, snoring isn't just noise, it's the sound of air struggling to move through a partially blocked airway. Sleep well, and breathe easy.